Hi everyone, I am the Winter Bunny and today I'll be showing you how to make fishbowl slime. So let's get started. You will need some clear glue, some activator, I use half a teaspoon to 1 cup of water, some fishbowl beads, and something to mix in and something to mix with. So start by pouring as much clear glue as you want. And then add in a few drops of activator and mix well. Repeat this until the slime begins to clump together. When it's like this, you can begin kneading it with your hands, and I actually left it in a container for 1 day so that it wouldn't be too sticky. So now you can go ahead and add in your beads. And the trick to keeping all of the fishbowl beads in is to leave your slime a little bit sticky, but not too sticky. And now you're done. So remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye!